The 12 best natural laxatives. 1. Bananas. Bananas are a great remedy to help make the digestive tract regular and relieve constipation due to its high fiber content. Eat a banana each day to help restore valuable electrolytes that are necessary for the intestinal tract. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains malic acid, calcium, pectin, acetic acid, which all stimulate the intestinal function. It's recommended to consume 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water in the morning on an empty stomach. 3. Prunes. Prunes are rich with antioxidants, vitamin A, potassium, iron, and dietetic fiber. They are popularly known as a natural laxative, providing beneficial bacteria to the intestines and stimulating better digestion. 4. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is known worldwide for its health benefits both internally and externally. The aloe leaf is composed of 99% water and the remaining 1% contains at least 75 other known nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, among others. Drinking aloe vera juice daily is ideal for preventing constipation. To do this, mix the innards of the leaf with water and honey, or you could also add the aloe to natural juice. 5. Dried fruits. Dried fruits are a great source of fiber and oils that work as a natural laxative. Add this food to your diet to help maintain good intestinal health. 6. Green tea. Green tea has a lot of health benefits, such as its functions as a natural laxative, as it helps promote healthy bacteria within the intestine, helping digestive function. It is recommended to drink 1 cup of green tea in the afternoon and 1 in the morning, for best results. It is not recommended to exceed the recommended serving, as you may experience undesirable side effects, among those, diarrhea. 7. Water. Water can help act as a laxative if you drink enough during the day. Water helps facilitate digestion and intestinal contractions. It is recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. 8. Coconut oil. Consuming coconut oil helps improve digestion and intestinal function. Its properties act as a pain reliever, and helps relieve irritation caused by hemorrhoids. It also reduces inflammation and stimulates digestive function. 9. Whole grains. Fiber is a nutrient that helps clean the intestines and stimulates their functions. Whole grains are rich with fiber, which is why it's important to include them in your diet to aid in digestion and help prevent constipation naturally and healthy. 10. Legumes. Like whole grains and fruits, legumes are high in fiber and help digestive function. Including legumes in your diet can have a great effect on preventing constipation. However, if you suffer from colitis, it is recommended that you consult with your physician before you add this to your diet, since it could have a negative effect on your intestines. 11. Kiwi. Kiwi is a great intestinal stimulant. It is recommended to eat 2 at breakfast time for a week, and in no time you'll see the results. 12. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has properties that stimulate the digestive tract, helping the flow of production of enzymes and gastric juices. Including cayenne in your diet is ideal to combat constipation and maintain good intestinal function. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.